हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ मनीष। मैं इस वीडियो पर बात करने वाला हूँ क्वार्टरली एग्ज़ाम 2023-24 छत्तीसगढ़ बोर्ड क्लास 12th सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश के बारे में बताने वाला हूँ। तो स्टूडेंट वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर ले। इसका पीडीएफ टेलीग्राम पर मिलेगा, लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन पर, तो जाकर पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड करें, वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें चैनल को। आपको सभी विषय के त्रैमासिक परीक्षा का पेपर इसी चैनल पर आपको मिलने वाला है। तो वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों तक शेयर करें। क्वार्टरली एग्ज़ाम त्रैमासिक परीक्षा 2023-24 कक्षा 12वीं सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश अंग्रेजी का देखेंगे। समय रहेगा 2 घंटा, टाइम है 2 आवर, मैक्सिमम मार्क्स 50 मार्क्स का पेपर रहेगा। सबसे पहले आपका सेक्शन ए रीडिंग कंपैरिजन पैसेज नोट। रीड द पैसेज गिवन बिलो एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चन दैट फॉलो। द चिल्ड्रन स्टे about 6 to 8 hours in a school. They are busy in their intellectual work throughout the day, along with some time which is spared for co-curricular programs. Having spent 3 to 4 hours in their study, they require some things to eat. Generally, the children during the recess hour eat some eatables which are not adequate for their health. Even petty salad do not keep in mind the hygienic standard essential to maintain the food ingredient nutritional value. All these things invite contagious disease, unhealthy mode of eating. The government of India has started the midday meal program. Is all the school in India 1961. The well equipped school are advised to run a good canteen for the student. UNESCO has also made plenty of effort distribute food material is canned boxes in developing countries of the world. Midday meal MDM is wholesome, freshly cooked lunch served to the children in government aided school in India. On 28 November 2001, Supreme Court of India passed a mandate stating we direct the state government union territories to implement the midday meal scheme by providing every child, every government and government assisted primary and upper primary school with prepared midday meal. The main objective of MDM midday meal scheme are to increase the enrollment of children belonging to disadvantaged section in the school, leading enrollment to increase attendance in the school, to retain children studying in class first to 8th, to provide nutritional support to the children for the elementary stage throughout affected area. On the basis of your understanding of the above passage and answer the following question given below and choosing the most appropriate option. 1 multiply 5 equal to 5 marks. Each question carry 1 marks. Which of the following term is used for the food provided in the school? Breakfast, midday meal, dinner, all of the above. Correct answer midday meal, MDM. Which of the following most appropriate for continuous progress of the child in their study? Health, illness, laziness, या फिर ऑल ऑफ द अबव? करेक्ट आंसर विल बी हेल्थ। क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड, वेयर द फूड शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड इन अ स्कूल? इन अ लाइब्रेरी, in a classroom, in a good canteen, in a playground? Where the food should be prepared in a school, in a good canteen? Which of the following essential midday meal cleanliness in preparation, motivating student, progress in study, none of the above? क्लीननेस इन प्रिपरेशन यानी कि बनाने में उनको साफ सफाई का ध्यान देना चाहिए। Which of the following is considered by UNESCO for distribution in midday meal program? Porridge in cup, food material in canned boxes, food material in plates, all of the above? Correct answer, food material in canned boxes. सूटेबल, इसकी आपको मीनिंग्स बतानी है। क्लीननेस मतलब आपका हाइजीन स्टैंडर्ड, इन्फेक्टियस का आपको बताना है, एंड ड्राई एरिया। ये आपके क्वेश्चंस है, इसके आपको आंसर की वेबसाइट पर मिलेगा। गो टू द वेबसाइट, सर्च ऑन गूगल परमेश्वरी मैम, परमेश्वरी मैम। गो टू द वेबसाइट एंड डाउनलोड द आंसर। Read the following passage carefully and answer the question given below. National integration in the bond and togetherness between people irrespective of their caste, creed, religion or gender. It is the feeling or oneness, brotherhood and social unity within communities and society in a country. National integration helped to keep the country united and strong for within despite and diversity. The importance of national integration can be understood from the fact that the nation which remain integrated will always progress on the track of development and prosperity. The significance of a national integration in a country like India increase manifold, seeing the diversity and culture difference. It play a very crucial role in the modern time, especially in a country like India, which is still on developing track. National integration make a country resilient by uniting its citizens with single thread of brotherhood and nationalism. If a country is integrated by its people, it becomes through a foreign force to disintegrate it. We have seen many incidents of riots and revolt in the country in a past year, and these incidents are threat to the social and cultural integrity of nation. This issues also pose a big hurdle on the path of country development. National integration is the only things which could stabilize the development of a country, improve the economic growth and add value to its cultural and social status. The growth and development of a country directly depend on its integrity and unity, and it lack in both, then it becomes impossible for nation to progress ahead towards a sustained development. National integration act as a basic foundation for maintaining harmony, peace and brotherhood in the society, thus building a country which is strong, यूनाइटेड एंड रीसाइलेंट। ये आपका पूरा पैसेज है। पैसेज को रीड करने के बाद ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ योर रीडिंग अबाउट द पैसेज मेक नोट ऑन हेडिंग। हेडिंग मेन टाइटल इज कॉल्ड हेडिंग एंड सब हेडिंग अबाउट ऑफ द हेडिंग्स इज कॉल्ड सब हेडिंग। यूज रिकॉग्नाइजेबल एब्रीविएशन वेयर एवर नेसेसरी, जहाँ पर आपको एब्रीविएट भी करना है। Write a summary of the passages, not more than 50 words, using notes, make and also suggest a suitable title. 4 marks of the heading and subheading and titles. फिर आपका नेक्स्ट वन सेक्शन बी राइटिंग स्किल्स, यू वांट टू लेट 2 रूम्स ऑफ योर हाउस फॉर पेइंग गेस्ट, प्रिपेयर एडवर्टाइजमेंट in about 50 words for the same. Daffodils International School is organized 3 days long science exhibition to mark the foundation day celebration of the school. As a head girl of the school, write a notice on the school notice board inviting entries of science model chart, pictures etc. from middle school to senior secondary. Most important question for board examination. Next one, write a letter to your friend inviting him her on the inauguration ceremony of new house. Write a letter to the Commissioner Municipal Corporation Bhilai complaining about the poor sanitary conditions and mosquito menses in your locality. This is the most important आपका letters. Write an article of any one of given topics. First one, importance of yoga to student. Second topic, the state of education today, computer in our daily life, environment, pollution, a global problem. This is the most important topic of articles. Next, do as directed. She washes the cloth in the evening. The clothes are washed by her in the evening. This is the right answer of the first question. Abdul taught you English. You were taught English by Abdul. Is he writing a letter? Is the letter being written by him? This is the interrogative sentence of passive voice. He died only dash month ago. Unspecified use on a few. The few is use specific numbers. We have nothing to do but dash for her. Waiting to wait. Answer will be to wait. Literature textbook Flamingo. Answer the following. Any 5 cross 2 equal to 10 marks. What had been put on the bulletin board? Last lesson question answer. बुलेटिन बोर्ड पर क्या आया था, क्या संदेश जारी हुआ था बर्लिन से, इसके बारे में आपको आंसर बताना है. हाउ डिड एम हैमल फील एंड बिहेव ड्यूरिंग द लास्ट लेसन. उसका बिहेव कैसा था. मिस्टर हैमल टीचर जो थे उनका बिहेवियर जो लास्ट लेसन जो पढ़ा रहे थे उसके प्रति उसका फीलिंग क्या था. व्हाट प्रॉमिस्ड इज द ऑर्थर मेक विद द साहेब. हु इज मुकेश. व्हाट डज ही वांट टू बिकम एंड व्हाई. हाउ डज Douglas overcome his fear of water. From where did the paddler get the idea of the world being a rat trap. Most important board examination for and quarterly examination. Poetry section 1 cross 2 equal to 2 marks. What is the kind of pain and age that the poet feel in the poem My Mother at 66, author of Kamla Das. What does the poet want to for the children of the slum? How can their life be made to change? And Vistor's book. Question. What does the chief astrologer tell to be the cause of the Maharaja death? Or do you think that the third level was a medium of escape for Charlie? Why? This is a question paper full answer key on the website. Go to the website and download the question paper and answer key. Thanks you lot. Thank you so much.